Bank Reconciliation Summary. Bank reconciliation is a fundamental accounting process used to ensure that a company's internal financial records, the cash book, align perfectly with the external records provided by the financial institution, the bank statement. Purpose and benefits. The primary objective of a reconciliation is to match cash balances on the balance sheet to the bank statement. This process is critical for 1. Accuracy, identifying errors committed in either the cash book or the bank statement. 2. Transparency, highlighting undue delays in the clearance of checks. 3. Internal control, discouraging embezzlement and identifying potentially fraudulent transactions. 4. Reporting, ensuring all financial records are updated before finalizing financial statements. Primary causes of discrepancies. Differences between the two balances typically arise from three main categories. Category, description, examples. A. Timing transactions recorded at different times by the bank and the account holder. Checks issued by the company but not yet presented for payment. Checks deposited but not yet cleared credited by the bank. B. Transactions, automated bank actions that the account holder is not immediately aware of. Interest earned on savings, bank service charges, or direct debits credits. Errors, human or system mistakes in data entry. Incorrectly recorded amounts or duplicate entries in either the cash book or the bank statement. Verification procedures. A thorough bank reconciliation statement, BRS, verification involves the following steps. A. Balance matching, tallying the internal bank book balance against the official bank confirmation or statement. B. Check validation, reviewing all outstanding checks, issued but not presented, and deposits in transit, deposited but not credited, against subsequent bank statements. C. Transaction audit, requesting documentation for bank-initiated charges or credits to ensure they are properly accounted for in the company's books. D. Foreign exchange, ensuring that bank accounts held in foreign currencies are restated at the correct closing exchange rates as per the applicable financial reporting framework. Conclusion. The reconciliation process eliminates differences by matching all facts and figures of the two statements. By identifying and rectifying errors in both records, a business ensures that its bank reconciliation statement accurately reflects its true liquid position.